Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is we are having a pastrami. We're having a pastrami grinder. See, doesn't that look delicious, everyone? This was not made by me tonight. Tonight, we need to thank... I decided to go out and get myself a pastrami grinder from Louie's Pizza in Waterbury, Connecticut, with a side order of French fries. Side order of French fries. They're golden cheese fries. And one of their orange sodas. All this is a decent meal for $24 to $25. So we need to thank Louie's Pizza and Nico and the girls over there because they do a wonderful job. They always ask you, well, what do you want on your grinder? And you tell them and they put it right on. This one has mustard. This has mustard, cheese, lettuce, and green pepper, everyone. These sandwiches are the best. They cost a few pennies, but they are the best. Look at that, everyone. Nice bottle, 2-liter bottle of soda. Everything came to 25 bucks even. So... please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out. Love you all. Amen.